We are proud to introduce to you the RomiApex A15 Apex Locator. The RomiApex A15 operates completely automatically. No manual adjustments are required. The RomiApex A15 enables accurate localization of apical foramen independently of root canal conditions in wet and dry canals. There are two buttons on the front panel, on-off key and the volume adjustment key. By pressing lightly on the on-off key, the device is turned on. The RomiApex A15 automatically shuts off after 5 minutes without use. However, you may turn it off by pressing the on-off key lightly once again. By pressing the volume key, we can adjust the volume level of the audio feedback sound to high, normal, low, and mute. The audio indicator is activated in parallel with the progression of the file, which enables monitoring of the file progression within the canal in the apical zone, even without seeing the display. The convenient, compact, ergonomic design of the device enables it to be stationed on units counters or treatment trays, either placed on a cradle or out of the cradle as convenient to you. The RomiApex A15 package contains one RomiApex A15 Apex Locator, one cradle, one AAA 1.5 volt alkaline battery, one screwdriver, one user manual, and a set of essential accessories for use at no extra charge, which contains one measuring cable, 2 file clips, 5 lip clips, and 1 touch probe. Prior to a step-by-step demonstration, allow me to demonstrate how the device functions. Using a built-in demo mode, the device demonstrates what you see and hear during root canal treatment. By pressing and holding the on-off key for about 1 second, the device beeps twice and the demo indication icon appears on the screen. Now, the operating sequence of the device is shown on the screen. For safety reasons, the demo mode can only be activated while the measuring cable is not connected to the device. While in demo mode, by pressing and holding the on-off key again for about 1 second, the device exits demo mode and the initial image appears on the display. By pressing the on-off key lightly, the device is turned off entirely. Let's proceed to a step-by-step demonstration. As said before, by pressing the on-off key lightly, the device is turned on and the initial image appears on the display. Firstly, we plug the measuring cable to the left side of the device. The cable icon appears on the left side of the display, indicating that the cable is properly connected. Secondly, connect the lip clip to one of the 2 sockets of the measuring cable. Thirdly, connect the file clip or the touch probe to the second socket of the measuring cable. Prior to each use, the RomiApex A15 should be checked for functionality. The RomiApex A15 has a connection test feature in order to check the cables. Now, we touch the metal end of the file clip to the lip clip. The connection icon appears on the display, indicating proper connection. Now, the device is ready for use. While in operation, the display of the device is divided into 3 main areas: the main display, the small tooth display, and the numerical reading display. To start the treatment, put the lip clip onto the patient's lips and connect the file clip to the endodontic file. The RomiApex A15 will automatically detect that the root canal measurement has started. The file icon inside the small tooth image will stop blinking and a double beep audio signal will sound once the electrical contacts is good and the conductivity of the root canal is sufficient. Movement of the file inside of the canal is reflected by the down and up arrows on the screen. The Apex Locator will now display, both by colored segments as well as by numerical readings, the around distance from the file tip to the apical foramen. Numerical readings starting from 2 to 1 refer to the pre-apical zone. The numerical reading 1 refers to the beginning of the apical zone. The numerical reading 0 indicates the foramen, also commonly named the apex. In case of over-instrumentation, the red over indicator accompanied by frequent beeps indicates that the file tip has progressed beyond the foramen into the periapical region. In cases where dentists' considerations determine that the file tip should not reach or exceed the 0 red segment indicating the apical foramen, the 0.5 green segment or the 0.25 yellow segment can be preferred. Reading the user manual to detail is strongly recommended. The RomiApex A15 Apex Locator for dental professionals.